Welcome to the Roto-Rooter family. You are joining a dynamic and growing brand that serves over 92% of the U.S. population, as well as most of the major metropolitan areas in Canada. Approximately 6,000 people work under the Roto-Rooter brand name, between company-owned branches, independently owned and operated franchises, and independent contractor locations. Roto-Rooter is the oldest and largest provider of plumbing repair and sewer and drain cleaning services in North America. While our services vary by location, homeowners and businesses turn to Roto-Rooter for all types of plumbing services, including repair and replacement of pipes, faucets, toilets, showers and tubs, water heaters, garbage disposals, and more. But Roto-Rooter is best known for opening clogged drains and sewers. Our drain technicians use electromechanical machines to clear tree roots and debris from pipes. Technicians may also use high-pressure water jetting to blast through grease, sludge, mud, and the most severe pipeline clogs. When sewers fail altogether, many Roto-Rooter locations repair and replace them with conventional excavation services, or with high-tech trenchless operations such as pipe relining and brush coating, which won't disturb lawns, landscaping, or sidewalks. All company-owned Roto-Rooter branches and many franchises and contractors also provide water cleanup services because of plumbing leaks and storm damage. Certified Roto-Rooter crews extract water, remove damaged contents, then dry and sanitize the affected areas to make them ready for reconstruction. As large and successful as Roto-Rooter is today, our business had very humble beginnings. Roto-Rooter Corporation opened for business in 1935 and was incorporated on February 13, 1936. The company was formed around the invention of the Roto-Rooter sewer cleaning machine, a timely and ingenious creation by our founder, Samuel Blank of Des Moines, Iowa. In the 1930s, most underground sewers were built from pipe sections made of clay, concrete, cast iron, or fiber conduit. These short lengths of pipe were fitted together to form pipelines and were only loosely sealed at the joints with mortar or tar. Then, just as now, it was common for tree roots in search of water and nutrients to work their way into loose pipe joints, where they gradually grew larger, spread out like a net, and formed clogs that caused sewage to back up into toilets, sinks, and bathtubs. Sam Blank was doing exactly that one afternoon at his son's house when he concluded there needed to be an easier way to unclog and clean underground sewer pipes. It took him 6 years of experimentation before he built a working prototype of his electromechanical sewer cleaning machine. Its power came from an old Maytag washing machine motor, which turned a reel of steel cable at varying speeds. Sharp spring-loaded blades were mounted on the end of the spinning cable to cut away roots and debris as the cable snaked its way through underground sewer pipes. Sam's machine was a game-changer because it could unclog any root-infested pipe and get it draining again. No digging was necessary. Sam's wife, Letty, named the invention the Roto-Rooter, and Sam Blank wasted no time building a company and a brand around it. Jobs were scarce during the Great Depression, and word spread quickly that for $250, a man could buy the exclusive right to use the Roto-Rooter machines in his hometown and earn a good living while providing a valuable service for his community. Roto-Rooter became one of the earliest franchise businesses in America when Sam Blank signed up licensed Roto-Rooter operators in franchised service territories across the country. And the Roto-Rooter factory in Des Moines, Iowa stayed busy supplying the franchises with new proprietary Roto-Rooter machines, extra drain cleaning cables and blades, and of course spare parts. Business was good, and by the time Sam's original machine patent expired in 1955, Roto-Rooter was a nationally known brand name, thanks to the company's clever advertising and the memorable Roto-Rooter jingle which is still in use today.
Drainage trouble in your home? Get Roto-Rooter on the phone. Trouble starts you cannot see. Underground, the roots of trees reach out to choke the sewer line, and a stopped-up sewer means trouble, drainage trouble. Water in the kitchen sink won't drain, bathroom water just the same. Laundry water that will not drain, a stopped-up sewer may be to blame. Don't you worry, but don't delay. Phone Roto-Rooter right away. For quick first aid, you can depend on Roto-Rooter to save the day.
Roto-Rooter is quick first aid for clogged sewers and stopped-up drains. The wonderful Roto-Rooter machine twists and turns and shaves lines clean.
Oh, Roto-Rooter, that's the name.
And away go troubles down the drain.
Roto-Rooter, Roto-Rooter.
Look-alike competitors emerged, but Roto-Rooter already had a 20-year head start, managing to stay ahead of the competition by building smaller Roto-Rooter machines to clean sink drains and enormous machines that could clear and clean large municipal and industrial pipes.
I don't know what to do. The drain stopped up and the water's running all over everything.
Well, what can I do about it? Call the local Roto-Rooter company. Oh, and while he's there, have him check all the drains. I had to wait 20 minutes last night for the bath water to drain out.
Why didn't I think of Roto-Rooter sewer service? Bye, dear.
When stopped-up drains get you down, why wait, watch, and worry over home remedies that just don't work? Next time, remember to call the expert, your professional Roto-Rooter man.
When Roto-Rooter comes, that's when your troubles go. When Roto-Rooter's here, that's when your troubles disappear. Call Roto-Rooter.
That's the name.
And away go troubles down the drain.
Roto-Rooter.
Sam Blank passed away in 1964, but throughout the 1960s and 70s, Roto-Rooter's popularity continued to grow, helping the brand become a pop culture icon.
Yes, I know I said I like slim men, but not a human Roto-Rooter.
All right. I'll take the hibachi back and get him a percolator.
Don't bother. Knowing you'd come back with a Roto-Rooter.
Only one thing left, the Roto-Rooter man. Faster than a speeding dump truck. More powerful than Roto-Rooter.
Yeah, and they tell me your father got a new job last week. He became a skin diver for Roto-Rooter.
In 1980, Sam Blank's family sold Roto-Rooter Corporation to Cincinnati-based ChemMed Corporation. ChemMed recognized the potential for growth in the service side of the business and began purchasing Roto-Rooter franchises to operate as corporate branches under its newly formed Roto-Rooter Services Company. These branches soon began providing residential and commercial plumbing repair services to complement their sewer and drain service offerings. Most Roto-Rooter franchises followed suit and added plumbing repair services before the end of the decade.
Hi, I'm your new plumber. Yep, your old friend Roto-Rooter. Sure, Roto-Rooter is famous for cleaning drains and sewers, and now we can solve any plumbing problem day or night. Leaky faucets, clogged pipes, installation, repair. For fast, guaranteed plumbing service from the name you trust, call Roto-Rooter. There's only one. Same fast service for any plumbing problem.
That's the name, and away go troubles down the drain. Roto-Rooter.
Today, Roto-Rooter's service business consists of 51 company-owned branches, 361 independently owned and operated franchises, and 72 independent contractor locations, in which Roto-Rooter Services Company owns the territory, but partners with local contractors to provide Roto-Rooter branded services in their communities. Roto-Rooter Corporation oversees franchise relations, providing franchises with materials, brand guidance, and product information. Corp, as it's known, also oversees the Roto-Rooter factory in West Des Moines, Iowa, which still builds Roto-Rooter brand sewer and drain cleaning machines, continually updating and improving upon Sam Blank's original design. The factory also makes many proprietary cutting blades and drain cleaning cables for all Roto-Rooter service locations. Roto-Rooter Corporation is also responsible for the production and shipment of Roto-Rooter branded drain maintenance products, which are sold by Roto-Rooter service technicians directly to their customers while in the home or business. A separate line of drain opening products also bears the Roto-Rooter name and is produced and marketed under license by Rust-Oleum Corporation. However, these products are sold only in retail stores, and they help to promote the Roto-Rooter brand name and the services Roto-Rooter offers. Job count data is not reported by independent franchises, but company-owned branches and independent contractors complete more than 1 million service jobs annually. 80% of Roto-Rooter's customers are residential, and 20% are commercial businesses of all types and sizes, including food service, property management, retail, institutional, industrial, and more.
Is it a ghost?
No. The only thing paranormal here is your plumbing. Don't let plumbing problems scare you. Call Roto-Rooter. We're the water experts. We put water where it should be. Just get in the field.
Each year, millions of dollars are spent advertising the Roto-Rooter brand, helping to keep it top of mind for prospective customers.
Suggested we wear these. That way, when you think Roto-Rooter, you think clogs.
The entire year comes down to this. America is celebrating Thanksgiving. We'll be there to clean up the mess. Roto-Rooter!
At Roto-Rooter, we've tried everything to address plumbing emergencies faster, like the sink siren. Roto-Rooter! Hello? The toilet signals seem fun, but a bit impractical. Of course, we all remember the plumbing drone debacle. That was bad. We even had tiny submarines with little torpedoes to blow up clogs, and sometimes pipes. Eventually, we landed on same-day service, and that's pretty darn fast.
Roto-Rooter!
Roto-Rooter.com receives more than 13 million visitors a year, and many of them schedule service directly through our website. But most Roto-Rooter customers still schedule service via telephone calls placed to local numbers, or to 1-800-GET-ROTO, a toll-free phone number which automatically routes calls to the nearest local Roto-Rooter franchise, contractor, or to one of Roto-Rooter Services Company's 3 national call centers in Chicago, Baltimore, and Phoenix, which book service calls exclusively for the company-owned branches. Customer service representatives at these busy call centers schedule appointments and dispatch service technicians to more than 700,000 plumbing and drain jobs each year.
Thank you for choosing Roto-Rooter.
Franchises and contractors, both large and small, manage their own incoming calls and dispatch their local workforces to serve even more customers in cities and towns all over North America. Roto-Rooter's corporate headquarters in downtown Cincinnati employs around 200 people who work in accounts payable, accounts receivable, information technology, payroll, benefits, marketing, and other vital departments that support Roto-Rooter's service business from coast to coast. As a new Roto-Rooter employee, you'll soon learn much more about Roto-Rooter and the services we provide. Meanwhile, if you have questions, be sure to ask your manager or supervisor. And make a point to visit Roto-Rooter.com and Roto-Rooter's many social media pages to keep up with the latest news, advertising, and other Roto-Rooter brand information.
Looking forward to you starting with us.
Good luck to you as you begin your new career at Roto-Rooter.